Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for a minute. I just been doing shorts because to see how it, gained me subscribers or views and all that stuff. But it's a new year. And Happy New Year's to y'all. But today I'm gonna be doing a bracelet like these colors. But I think I'm gonna do a 6.5 this time. See how it come out and all that good stuff. So stay tuned and I will be back. If y'all give me up to 500 subscribers, I will be releasing more cute bracelets. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my other beads that is coming, so look out for that. But yeah, y'all give me the 500 subscribers, I'll be doing more bracelets and all that good stuff with them. Show y'all my designs and all that stuff. But until then, if I don't have 500, then I can't do that. So today, this is what I'm doing. I'm using my string, of course, my scissors, my glue, my spacers, and my beads. So what I'm going to do first is the 6.5. How y'all today? I am doing good. How about yourselves? So let's see. And I'm using the stars spacers on these to see how it will look and see how it will go. But how's y'all New Year so far? Mine is a little good for right now. But I'm sure it'll get better throughout the day. But I'll be back, show y'all the bracelet, and yeah. So this is what I have, if y'all can see. This is what I got. I'm gonna move these out the way so I can measure the measure it, and it's the right size. So I'm gonna put another spacer in between, and I'm gonna cut it, stretch it out. And twirl it. And some of the clips I'm gonna be fast forwarding. Well, not fast, making it go fast, because I know some of y'all don't want to hear me talk or whatever the case may be, but So now I'm going to go in with the big beads and all that good stuff. And put the space, I'm going to do one bead spacer, one bead like that on this bracelet. See how many what I have on my time, because I don't want to run out of storage and then I don't be finished with it. But I'll be back with this. So this is what I have for it, and straight put it around. Then I'm going to put some glue on there so that it will stay. It won't come loose or anything. And then I'm going to clip. And put it in there. And put it with that one. I'm going to show y'all when I finish all three of them. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Okay, and I got the last bead, bracelet. I have the last bracelet I'm doing. I have some, well, it comes in the mail soon, some more beads that I wanted to try out. But these are 10 MMs. So we're gonna try that out, and if I like them, well, of course I like them because they're bigger than the ones I've been doing. So yeah, and my fingers can grip it, but I'm gonna let it go fast. This part of the video go fast because I know y'all probably don't want to hear me talk, so you know. So this is what I got. It's like a little kid bracelet or whatever, but this is what I have. I don't fit it on my arm. So, yeah. It's like a little kid's bracelet and everything. You get it for your kid, child, your little girl. There you go. So yeah, that's what I created today. And I did these earrings right here. And I also did this right here. I'm gonna do another one like this, but the letter's gonna be different. Probably my daughter want me to do a Mickey Mouse one. So a Minnie Mouse, not a Mickey, a Minnie Mouse with something in her name on there, but we're gonna have to see about the first name she wants on there, cause no. But yeah, I'm gonna do a Minnie Mouse one, and I'm sorry, my mic was going out, and I know y'all could tell the difference in when I was talking loud and then as it got low or whatever. But I charged up my mics a while back, and I mean not a while back, but you know, a couple of days ago, and yeah, but yep, this is what I'm going for on my channel too. Yeah, got the back on there, but this is what I'm going for on my channel. Probably do another video later on today. I don't really know yet, but I'm sure I will. Yeah, these is like, hold on. Put these up. These beads is like kitty beads. Really, tell you the truth. It's like this, like kitty beads. So I could have made a keychain or whatever, you know. But, and then my spacers is right here. I have to get me some more. I want to get me some charms. Some pretty charms. If anybody know where I can get them from, just comment below, tell me. But I want to get me some pretty charms, like junky charms or however you say it. I looked on Amazon, but no. I want them pretty charms, eh, them kind of charms. But yeah. I mean, I have pretty ones. See, here goes some. It's not the one. See, I have these. I have these. That's one more, but the earrings come with it. I have these right here. I have these. And I have these right here. I just made these. And then I got these ones. Then these. Then these. Then these ones. Another one that goes with this one. Then I have these. This one, it goes with this. Yes, the set. Then of course I made these right here. And then them up there. And all that. So, but thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Oh yeah, and comment under it. Bye.